Hi, this is John from FlatCatGear, and today I'm making my lunch. Now, one of the most common backpacking foods out there for some reason is top ramen, and I just don't get it. Maybe I had way too much of it while I was back in college. I don't understand why people are eating it today. So, top ramen's cheap, it's about as nutritious as cardboard, and doesn't taste very good. So this is what I use. You can go to most Asian stores and you can find a bunch of different varieties of noodles that taste so much better than top ramen. So this is what I have. And for my lunch today, I'm making a bowl of ramen soup. Now, to that, I'm also adding some dried carrots, dried jalapenos. I have some dried green onions, and I'm adding some chili peppers. I don't eat the red chilies. I typically use it for the taste. I'm also adding about an ounce of teriyaki beef jerky. So take a look at this video. I'm also using the Leopard Cub. And with the Cub, there's a couple tricks I'm talking about the alcohol stove itself. I've designed it to make it even easier to use. So this is a new stove that I developed for the Leopard Cub. It's kind of an interesting design because it's designed such that if you fill this up and saturate it, it'll hold about 20 ounces of fuel, or sorry, 20 milliliters of fuel. So one of the concepts I'm playing with is the idea is that, well, you know, in the field you never know exactly how much fuel you have, so fill it up and then empty it out. You know, about 20 milliliters of fuel in there. So I'm experimenting with that, see how it works. So I'm making my lunch today. I've got Sam from Batchstovez beer can replacement. Alright, we'll come back in a bit. So I just put it on, and so I'm going to drop in here. I have some dehydrated carrots, jalapenos, green onions, and I've got some red chilies. That's going to go in there. And oops. Then what I'm adding is this hot and sour soup mix, and once it's boiled I will put the noodles on top of that. One of the things I forgot to add was beef jerky. It's a teriyaki beef jerky, probably about an ounce. And again, these are these Asian noodles, much better than top ramen. Go ahead and add those. As it heats up, they'll just fall in. See, I got a good boil going on. We're just going to cover that and let that sit for a while. So my lunch is done. Carrots are rehydrated. Teriyaki looks good. Time to eat up. Come visit us at www.FlatCatGear.com.